An adjustable DC power supply is an essential tool for electronics testing, circuit development, and repair work, providing precise control over voltage and current output. With reliable performance, safety features, and versatile adjustment options, these power supplies are perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and professionals. Here are the 5 best adjustable DC power supplies to consider in 2026. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Wanptek W-GA3010H DC Power Supply. Without taking up much room on the workbench, this laboratory power supply delivers the kind of performance that technicians, engineers, students, and electronics enthusiasts look for when accuracy and reliability matter most. Designed to provide clean and adjustable DC output, it handles everything from circuit development and component testing to equipment maintenance and educational experiments with impressive consistency. Stable voltage regulation plays a critical role in protecting sensitive electronic devices, and this unit is built to maintain dependable performance throughout a wide range of applications. The adjustable output offers excellent flexibility for both simple and demanding projects. With a voltage range extending from 0 to 30 volts and current capability reaching up to 10 amps depending on the selected configuration, users can fine-tune the exact power requirements for different electronic devices and testing environments. Whether powering prototype circuits, troubleshooting faulty hardware, charging compatible battery systems, or verifying the performance of electronic modules, the regulated output helps ensure repeatable and accurate results while minimizing unwanted fluctuations. Another advantage is the availability of multiple output configurations within the product series. Models supporting 30 volts at 10 amps, 60 volts at 5 amps, and 120 volts at 3 amps provide users with the freedom to choose the specification that best suits their workload. Instead of investing in several dedicated power supplies for different voltage requirements, this family of products offers practical flexibility for laboratories, research facilities, educational institutions, and repair workshops where project demands frequently change. Safety and operational reliability have clearly been given careful consideration. Delivering between 201 and 300 watts of regulated output, the power supply is engineered for continuous professional use while maintaining stable electrical performance. Compliance with internationally recognized CE and FCC certification standards adds further confidence that the unit has been designed with quality, safety, and dependable operation in mind. For professionals working with valuable electronic equipment, this reassurance is an important part of daily workflow. Pros: stable output, compact design, wide compatibility, precise control. Cons: basic features, limited display. Number 4. Diaiary BPS-1203 DC Power Supply. From routine electronics repair to advanced laboratory experiments, having a dependable source of regulated power can make every project more accurate and efficient. This adjustable bench power supply is designed to deliver the stability and precision required by technicians, engineers, students, and hobbyists who regularly work with sensitive electronic equipment. Its regulated DC output provides the confidence needed when powering circuits, testing components, developing prototypes, or troubleshooting electrical systems where consistent voltage is essential for reliable results. The adjustable output range makes it suitable for a wide variety of applications, offering voltage control from 0 to 30 volts and current adjustment up to 10 amps. The unit allows users to match the exact power requirements of different devices without relying on multiple power sources. Whether evaluating newly assembled circuit boards, testing communication modules, charging compatible battery systems, or experimenting with electronic designs, precise adjustment helps minimize the risk of component damage while improving overall testing accuracy. Smooth regulation also supports repeatable measurements, making it valuable for educational laboratories as well as professional repair environments. Performance remains consistent thanks to its advanced switching regulator technology. Unlike conventional designs that generate unnecessary heat during prolonged operation, the efficient switching architecture improves power conversion while reducing wasted energy. This not only contributes to stable voltage delivery, but also helps maintain dependable operation throughout extended testing sessions. users working on long-duration projects can benefit from reliable output without worrying about excessive heat affecting performance or equipment longevity.
Pros: stable output, efficient switching, compact design, safety certified.
Cons: basic controls, limited features.
Number 3. Kuaiqu SPS-C3010S DC power supply. Rather than focusing only on higher specifications, this adjustable laboratory power supply is clearly engineered to deliver dependable performance, intelligent protection, and exceptional ease of use in everyday technical work. Designed for electronics repair, scientific research, battery charging, production testing, and educational laboratories, it provides clean and stable DC output that professionals can rely on when accuracy is essential. Whether powering delicate circuits, evaluating prototypes, or performing long-duration testing, the consistent voltage and current regulation help ensure repeatable results while protecting valuable equipment from unnecessary risk.
One of the biggest highlights is the upgraded protection system, featuring dedicated overvoltage and overcurrent controls. Instead of relying solely on internal safeguards, separate OVP and OCP buttons allow users to activate intelligent monitoring whenever additional protection is required. If excessive voltage, abnormal current, or a short circuit is detected, the power supply immediately stops delivering output, triggers an audible warning, and displays a clear protection indication on the screen. This rapid response greatly reduces the possibility of damaging sensitive electronic components, making it particularly valuable for engineers and technicians working with expensive devices or experimental hardware. Daily operation also becomes far more convenient thanks to the dedicated output switch. During testing, users often need to modify voltage or current settings before applying power to the connected load. Rather than disconnecting cables or repeatedly turning the entire unit on and off, the output can be enabled or disabled with a single button. This simple feature improves workflow efficiency while significantly reducing the chance of accidental electrical damage caused by unexpected power delivery.
Accuracy is another area where this model performs exceptionally well. The precision encoder adjustment system offers both coarse and fine tuning, allowing voltage and current values to be set with remarkable control. Individual digits can be selected and adjusted independently, making precise configuration effortless, even during complex testing procedures. Since settings can be prepared before activating the output, the entire adjustment process remains both safer and more energy efficient. Pros: precise control, multiple protection, fast charging, stable output. Cons: menu learning, fan noise. Number 2. Kuaiqu YZA-SPPS-D10001 DC power supply. Once higher voltage applications become part of the workflow, ordinary bench power supplies often reach their limits. This laboratory-grade 600 power supply is built specifically for demanding environments where precision, stability, and wide operating flexibility are essential. Whether supporting industrial maintenance, research laboratories, photovoltaic inverter repair, battery system development, or advanced electronics testing, it delivers dependable, regulated output across an impressive range of voltage and current configurations. Its combination of high voltage capability and accurate control makes it a valuable tool for professionals who require more than a conventional laboratory power source can provide. The most striking capability is its exceptionally broad output range, supporting models that deliver up to 1,000 volts while also offering 800 volt, 600 volt, 400 volt, 300 volt, and 200 volt configurations. The unit adapts to a wide variety of specialized testing environments. For applications requiring substantial current rather than extreme voltage, versions capable of supplying up to 60 volts at 20 amps provide excellent flexibility. This allows engineers, technicians, and researchers to use a single product family across multiple projects instead of investing in several dedicated power supplies for different operating ranges. Accuracy remains a key strength throughout every adjustment. The integrated 4-digit LCD display provides clear, real-time monitoring of both voltage and current, allowing precise control during testing and calibration. Stable output minimizes unwanted fluctuations that could interfere with measurements or affect sensitive electronic components.
Whether evaluating power electronics, testing industrial control systems, or diagnosing battery charging equipment, dependable regulation contributes to repeatable and trustworthy results throughout long operating sessions. Another major advantage is the availability of remote communication through USB and 232 rupees interfaces. This enables computer-based control, automated testing procedures, parameter logging, and efficient workflow integration for laboratories and production environments. Instead of relying entirely on manual adjustments, users can remotely configure operating parameters, monitor performance, and collect valuable testing data with greater consistency. Such functionality is particularly beneficial during repetitive validation tasks or extended research projects, where automation improves both productivity and accuracy. Pros: high voltage, precise output, remote control, wide compatibility. Cons: advanced operation. Number 1, and the winner is Fnirsi IPS3608 DC power supply. From detailed circuit diagnostics to powering experimental prototypes, a reliable laboratory power supply can dramatically improve both accuracy and efficiency. This adjustable bench power supply is designed to provide stable, regulated DC output for professionals, students, and electronics enthusiasts who require dependable performance during testing and development. With precise voltage and current adjustment, it offers the flexibility needed for a wide range of applications while maintaining consistent power delivery that helps protect sensitive electronic components from unwanted fluctuations. Its adjustable output range of 0 to 36 volts and up to 8 amps makes it suitable for everything from low-power circuit evaluation to more demanding electronic projects. Whether developing embedded systems, repairing consumer electronics, testing communication modules, powering development boards, or validating newly assembled hardware, users can fine-tune the output with excellent precision. Stable regulation ensures connected devices receive clean and consistent power, reducing the likelihood of inaccurate test results while improving the overall reliability of electronic measurements. One of the most useful features is the bright LCD display that provides continuous real-time monitoring of operating conditions. Voltage and current values remain clearly visible throughout the testing process, allowing users to make precise adjustments with confidence. Having instant access to accurate output information is especially valuable during troubleshooting, calibration, and long-duration experiments where maintaining stable operating conditions is essential for successful results. Modern connectivity further enhances the overall user experience through the integrated USB Type-C interface. Unlike traditional laboratory power supplies that focus only on electrical output, this design introduces a more convenient method for communication and compatible device interaction. The Type-C connection supports modern workflows while simplifying control and data transfer for users who integrate laboratory equipment with computers or other digital systems. This feature adds greater flexibility to research environments, repair centers, engineering workstations, and educational laboratories, where efficiency and connectivity continue to become increasingly important. Pros: precise regulation, LCD display, USB Type-C, global compatibility. Cons: basic interface. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.